Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today is 25th. This is 25th of May. So I want us to start analysis by looking at the chart on our screen. I want us to look at GBPUSD first of all. So on this chart, nothing much happened. This is yesterday. You can see that nothing much has happened on this chart. We are not seeing any clear rally to either to the upper side or to the lower side. The price closed almost around the same place where it opened. So this is an indecision candle. What we want to happen is we want the price to actually break and close beyond this trend line here. So if the price can go and break above that trend line, then that will be a good sign that now we are continuing to the upper side. But as long as the price is held below that trend line, then that will be a good place to look for a sell from. So the idea will be to look for sell positions. The idea will be to look for sell orders as long as the price is held below this point here. So while we continue to see sustenance below this point, expect price to continue to the lower side, at least up to this level here. So this will be the ideal place to take profits from. Our next symbol is Euro USD. So USD so far we are seeing some consolidations. We do have a very good buy level here. This is a good place where you want to look for a buy from. You can see it was used previously as a resistance here. We had a resistance. We had a resistance. There was this breakout. Then as we are speaking now, the price is still above the same place. So expect price to continue up at least up to around 1.23288, which is here. Sorry, this is 1.23286. So expect price to continue up with your target fixed along this level here. On the next chart is USDJPY. So USDJPY so far, we do have some shape. This is like a triangular formation within an uptrend. This is a very good level. This is like some shape. You may not be able to see it as long as I've not drawn it correctly. Now you can see it. This is what I meant. So we have this move to the upper side. There's this retracement, and currently the price is being held within that shape. So what we want to happen with this chart is either the price needs to break above the upper trend line, retrace back, then continue up to this point, or the price may break below the lower one, retrace back, then continue even lower up to this trend line here. So either way, you either wait for a buy or you wait for a sell. Our next symbol is gold. So gold, so far we are gaining momentum to the upper side. The price is currently in an upward trend. We still expect more rally to the upper side. Actually, we do have a very good trend line here. It was violated here when the price went and closed above this point. We expect a continuation and even a break beyond 1903.83. The next target is this, and then the last target is this one. So these are the places where we actually expect price to go up to. We want price to go to this point. If it breaks above, then the next level is 1960.17. Then the next level is 2052.97. Those are the few places where we actually expect price to go up to. So our next symbol is Brent oil. Brent oil so far, we are looking at a resistance level here. We have a very good resistance level here. This is a good place where as long as the price does not clearly ascend and break beyond it, then this will act as a good place to look for a sell from. So we want to wait for price within this area so that we pick a sell position. Our stop loss is at the top of this high. So the stop loss is 75.36.4. Our take profit is here, and then the next take profit is this one. So we want to see a good sell from this point. Our stop loss, our first take profit is here, and then the next take profit is 46.449, which is here. The next symbol and the last symbol for the day is SP500. So SP500 so far we are in an active uptrend. actually on this chart, I won't recommend sell positions. What I want to happen is for price to clearly ascend and break below above 4228.3, this level here. If that happens, then that will mean we are now continuing to the up. So the idea will be to wait for price to break above, retrace back, then pick buy positions. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same. So thank you. See you.